Clean and dry daily intimate wash. If you are looking for a daily usage intimate wash in an affordable range, then this is a good product for you. It does a great job at cleansing the intimate area and also refreshing it compared to the effect that a body wash and a soap would have. Aside from that, it is quite good at fighting off bacteria and keeps away any UTIs or infections at bay, and it's a must have product if you use public restroom. This entire bottle comes for 150 rupees and a pea-sized amount is enough for a single time usage. So even if you use it twice a day, this entire bottle is going to last you up to 3 to 4 months. That's why it's quite a value for money product. Something that I want to highlight is that it contains aloe vera gel and mint oil, which helps in soothing the area or any irritation that you might have, and also produces a nice cooling sensation, which is quite refreshing. Aside from that, I also want to mention that it has got a strong floral fragrance. Some people may like it, some people may not. I personally do prefer it. Also, the product lathers really well. It helps in restoring the pH balance of the skin and has a travel friendly packaging with the tight cap, which helps prevent leakage. The product claims that it lightens the area, which is not a right claim to make. Well, it's a decent product, it is quite affordable, and in this price range it is a good product to have. The only problem with this product is that it claims to provide some lightening effect, which is not exactly true, because of which I am going to give it 4 out of 5 star, and it's a hot product.